Hi everyone. Okay, I'm back with the canopy, which I've completed. Like I said, I cut all the sections off and I glue them in separately. I used clear epoxy, and what I did then was I taped it all around the edges, waited for it to dry, and then the other option is to use this micro crystal clear, which is it's a white gel-like substance. You can use it as a glue as well. So you can either use this to glue it on, it takes longer to dry, or you can use it as a touch-up. So like what I have now, I have a certain section that's loose. I'm just going to use a toothpick, put a bit of crystal clear in there, tape it down and leave it to dry. Okay, so I'll put that aside for now. Okay, I've been working on the wiring as well. So over here there's a wiring that goes into the side of the top pod. Okay, all the wires I'm supplying in a little packet. Okay, and then the documentation will show you the length of each one. But as if I recall, this is a 8 centimeter and this is a 3 centimeter. Okay, but it is in the instructions. Just bend them. Just make sure on this one that you get this bend flush, almost flush. And then this one is over the top, so that it can fit underneath this lip. Else it won't fit. And then what I did as well is the rear detail. I actually took this, what it actually broke off, the little cross brace. So I just drilled 2 holes through with a Dremel 0.8 and 1.2 mil, and then I just glue this in. I'm also giving a little piece of metal copper with it as well, so you can put it in. Looks a lot nicer. You can use it or leave it as it is with the plastic. It's a bit brittle though, can break off quite easily. So I just put that in. It looks quite nice. So these are the ones you'll get for the detail. So you get 2 long ones, which are these 2, and then you get 2 short ones, which are these 2. There might be another color, and then 1 for the rear end. And I can see this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 centimeters, and the rest are 8, and these here are 3. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to glue all these on, get the cockpit done, and then I should almost be done with the model. So I'll see you in the next one.